I promoted my Plotagon videos using two simple tricks. In this video, I'll tell you what I did to achieve these numbers of views. Okay, now this is the topic, as you can see from what you have there. So quickly, like I said, there are two methods I use to actually drive all these views and skyrocket my videos. Though during the time of January, I knew about it, but I was trying to do it the other way. And from January 6th, I had about 4,800 views. But when I tried that method, August 16th, then it gave me, I later realized that I have views within the range of let's say like 1,000 views in every month. This is just a new channel, okay, a channel with probably 535 subscribers having these numbers of views. So for you to not know that it's not about the subscriber only, all right, okay, it's about what you do to people that value your videos. Okay, so let's go with it. And before we continue, please kindly note that this video has timestamps, okay, for easy navigation, and also its subtitles in English and other languages. So let's start with the first step. So with the first step, first, as you all know, okay, as you all know, you need to create a compelling and engaging content. All right, do not just make videos because you want to earn money. Once your video is not compelling and it's not engaging, people won't have interest to watch that video. Okay, so guys, make sure your story is captivating, your character are relatable, and your dialogue is snappy. Okay, this will hook your audience right from the start. All right, yes, this is a vital key you need to add to every videos you create while using Plotagon or any other animation softwares, either for laptop or for PC users. All right, so once you have your video ready, it is time to optimize it for search engines. All right, now you are done with creating your videos and you've uploaded them on YouTube. Okay, then you upload your videos. Just note, your videos as a competition. Okay, that is, you have a rival, and you have a rival, you have your video, and you have your audience. Now, the search engine works in a way whereby once your video is compelling and actually captivating to audience, the search engine continues to rank your video high for people to watch it. And to do all this, there are two methods, okay, so which I'm still showing you. All right, so use relevant keywords in your title. That's the first method, which everybody always do this. Okay, then you add description to it. People also do this. Okay, you also add tags. Everyone does this as well to make it easier for people to find your video. Okay, but just hold on, this step 2, it is not everyone that usually do it. Okay, so that's where you have the opportunity for your video to be skyrocket, to be ranked high. Okay, and once it's been ranked high, then you have the opportunity to what, to reach wider audience. Okay, so let's continue. We'll get to step 2. Your question might be, how do I get relevant keywords and tags to use? Okay, that is very simple, or I can refer to you guys, is either vidIQ or TubeBuddy. This is not a paid promotion. They didn't pay me to do anything of such. Okay, but you can try them out, either vidIQ or TubeBuddy. They are fantastic sites to help you with your keywords, description, and the rest. Sharing your videos on social media is crucial for promotion, very crucial. Okay, so posting it on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram to reach wider audience. And it's very important you join groups, mostly on Facebook rather, you join group relevant to the software you are using. So if you are using Plotagon, try to search Facebook Plotagon group on Facebook, okay, and join that group. So you paste your link of your YouTube, okay, to those group. Members in that group will have easy access to see your videos. Once they click on it, it also increase the watch time for your videos. Although out of 100 people, 80% of people usually do this. All right, so let's continue. Like I said, the second method, only 40% of people do it. All right, so let's continue. Now, once you've done that, you've joined the group, all right, then encourage your friends to follow and to share it too. That is on WhatsApp, and tell them to help you share their videos, your links. It's really stressful, but seriously, it's worth it, okay? Because once the search engine could pick your video and skyrocket to the top, then it simply means your video goes viral and everyone over the universe will watch it. Now, interact with audience is important too. Always tell them to comment. It's very important. Always ask them to comment, to give you feedback on a video you create, okay? And it's very important you create an engaging conversation between you and your viewers. It's very, very important. It helps you build a loyal community around you and your videos, okay? Remember, there are billions of videos which are related to the one you upload. So the question is, how do you rate your videos in the search rank? Then this second method will help you. Trust me. Okay. Now, this second method I'm about to show you now, it's should I say, only 40% of content creators does this. Okay, only 40%. Now, once you have uploaded a video on YouTube and you have added relevant keywords in your title and tags, the site I will show you in few seconds. This site I will show you in few seconds will give you viewers, I mean people, audience, not robot, who will tend to subscribe, like, and watch almost all of your videos. But at this level now, if you are still watching my videos and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly click on that subscribe button now, okay? And also give my video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Thank you so much. Alright, now, so the name of the sites I'll be giving you today that I use a lot to promote my videos is called vfly.com. This site is an, should I say, a top-notch site that has actually helped thousands of content creators. Okay, so you might even decide not to even do the first method. I mean, you might decide not to upload share your link to Facebook and other social medias. Once you have your keywords, your title, your description, and you tend to use vfly.com, then all you need to do is just sit down and relax and see the magic. Okay, it's what they usually do is they are in partner with Google Ads, and because they have a partnership with Google Ads, it is easier for we viewers, okay, I mean for we content creators to promote our videos using their platform. Now, promoting your videos with Google Ads, like going to them normally, is very expensive. But with the help of vFly, since they're a partnership, so they make it more simpler and more cheaper for you to promote your video. But on Google Ads, costly, and it is not that easy for you to create and it's not that easy for you to promote your videos with Google Ads. But with vfly.com, you have all chances to promote your videos on that. So I have videos on that if you actually want to know more about that. So remember, promotion is just important as creation. Very, very important. Follow these steps to master the art of Plotagon video promotion. Thanks for watching. Follow these tips to master the art of Plotagon video promotion and watch your views and subscriber growth. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Bye for now.